Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mini Cooper rear wiper arm. First, ensure you have the right tools for the job, including a 13mm socket, a ratchet, and a small flathead screwdriver. A rust-penetrant spray can be very helpful if the old arm is stuck due to corrosion. You might also need a wire brush to clean the spindle and a battery terminal puller for extremely stubborn arms. To begin, lift the small plastic cap covering the wiper arm's base. You will then see a nut, typically a 13mm size, which you need to remove with your socket and ratchet. Once the nut is off, gently wiggle the wiper arm back and forth to free it from the spline spindle. If it's stuck, spray some rust penetrant and let it soak, or use a battery terminal puller for extra leverage. Before installing the new arm, clean any rust or debris from the spindle using a wire brush to ensure a good fit. Next, turn your car's ignition on and cycle the rear wiper once, then turn the ignition off. This parks the motor correctly. Now, align the new wiper arm with the spindle, ensuring it sits in the proper parked position on the window. Hand tighten the 13mm nut, then snug it down with your ratchet, and finally, snap the plastic cap back into place. After installation, gently check that the new wiper arm is firmly attached and doesn't have any play. Turn on your car and activate the rear wiper to confirm it moves smoothly across the window and parks correctly. Also, test the washer fluid spray to ensure it hits the glass effectively. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Mini Cooper's rear wiper arm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.